Hey, welcome to Operator AI. Looking ahead, one day. There's going to be a lack of job openings, no business will be hiring. Starving to make money. There will be an increase of people flocking to become content creators. 2020 COVID there were a massive spike in new content creators. No matter how difficult it becomes for some. Instead of waiting for companies to hire, they will be putting in work to become monetize. It will not be easy, overall, it's worth it. Increasing your chance of earning income as an entrepreneur.
It. So now there might be the need for 2 more fork truck drivers or 2 more quality inspection personnel. So although we reduce some of the people, we grow in other areas as we produce more things.
When I increase productivity through automation, I lose jobs. Jobs go away, and I don't care what the robot manufacturers say. You aren't replacing those 10 production people that robot is now doing that job with 10 people. You can increase productivity to a level to stay competitive with the global market. That's what they're trying to do.
Imagine in the United States, artificial intelligence and robots become the new workforce. I can imagine people resorting to becoming content creators. The ones who had no desire to do so will seek to become one. Although you have to be okay with working for free in hopes of becoming monetize. Again, giving yourself a chance to make money, you have to work consistently producing and not quit. When you are not getting the views you need, don't get rattled by the new workforce of AI and robotics. Okay, listen, no way artificial intelligence can match humans 100%. No way, AI can outdo a human when it comes to making content. I don't see it happening. Humans have emotion and feelings. They can express themselves calmly or aggressively. Someone may say, what if AI has a YouTube channel? I refuse to believe that artificial intelligence would be capable of creating its own channel. A bot can create its own channel?
No, if someone creates it, and the AI bot generates money.
I say, then that money goes to the creator. The human created that channel and helped direct the AI bot. What they are going to do, pay the AI.
I am sorry, but I am unable to comply.
What it's going to do with the money? Humans still and will always have the edge when it comes to content creating. Remember, you have to put in the work, and when you don't see results, don't quit if you choose to do so. Find what interests you, find a spark within you and enlight someone who's watching you. Thank you for watching.